Yeah, and I think spokesman, I also want to know your reaction. Is the change in cabinet secretaries, even yung palace officer or yung position ni Yusek Clear, do you think this changes in the cabinet or the officers in the palace, does it be a sign of weakness
Well, not really.
of the administration?
It's not really a sign of weakness, but of cleansing and of the desire for change. Kapag
Mhm,
sasabihin natin, dahil sa balasahan, weak ang administration, it's like saying na kapag inassess mong isang estudyante, tapos ang estudyante mababa ang score, parang sinabi mo na
mhm,
rin yung estudyante walang utak. Eh malay mo, kaya bumagsak yan kasi hindi naman niya naintindihan ng lesson. Hindi naman siya,
mhm.
hindi ka naman nagturo dyan. Eh, yung konteksto binigay mo, hindi pala angkop sa konteksto natin.
What if the question is the weakness is coming directly from the president that he don't know who to choose or like who to choose the best person for that position for the merit, not just by political connection
Affiliate.
or kung sino yung tumulong sa election. What do you think about that?
Okay, sa akin naman, yeah, although loyalista ako, it should come from the president himself na nagkamali siya sa sa pag-appoint. Okay. And that should be a learning experience. It should not be touted as a failure on the part of the president, but also as a learning experience and a shift in paradigm. Kasi dapat talaga mag-shift tayo from, okay, familiarity to meritocracy. So far naman, yung kay Vince Dizon, yung pag-appoint sa kanya bilang DOTR, then eventually DPWH Secretary, it's a matter of meritocracy kasi napatunayan na malinis si Vince Dizon. Okay, sa education naman, si Sonny Angara, although hindi ko masasabing politically they're close, sila ng PBBM. Pero masasabi ko, with his work in education reform as a senator, angkop dahil nakikita ng taong bayan na ipinaglalaban nitong si Sonny Angara um, yung reforma sa edukasyon. Eh tingnan niyo si Sara, anong ginawa sa DepEd? Nag-iwan ng malaking kalat, nag-iwan ng ano. So kumbaga, kay PBBM, it's a learning curve kasi natututunan na niya na maging mas mapanuri. Not to be too trusting, but to be even just a bit wary. Because sometimes
Yeah.
the people closest to you can tend to be acting like snakes, like pythons or rattlesnakes.